Are you tired of boring family nights? Here are the 5 best air hockey tables I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Hasbro Gaming Hypershot. The Hasbro Gaming Hypershot electronic tabletop hockey game, priced at just $15.09. What caught my eye was its fun and interactive design that promises hours of entertainment for kids ages 8 and up. If you want a compact and exciting way to keep the kids engaged, this is worth a serious look. This game is all about action-packed excitement. It features 5 different game modes, including Ricochet and Slapshot, so your kids will never get bored. The electronic elements, like music, lights, and sound effects, keep the atmosphere lively, making every round feel like a mini event. Plus, it's portable and easy to store, so you can take it to family gatherings or camping trips. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month alone, it's clear that this game is a hit. Now, some people complained about the game being a bit small for older kids or adults. Here's the thing though, it's designed specifically for kids and younger players, so if you're looking for something to entertain the little ones, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have kids ages 8+ who need something fun to do indoors. Skip this one if you're looking for a full-size table for older teens or adults. For the price, the value is fantastic. Now, if the size of the Hypershot bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a bit more space to play. Product number 2, Funscape Kids Hockey Pool Game. The Funscape Kids Hockey Pool Game, which goes for $25. This inflatable water toy really stood out because it merges air hockey with pool fun, perfect for hot summer days. If you want a way to keep the kids cool while being active, this is a great option. Made from durable PVC, this inflatable game is built to last through all those intense backyard matches. It includes everything you need: an inflatable table, pushers, and even a puck and 2 balls. The extra-wide goal makes scoring easy and enjoyable, while the whole experience enhances hand-eye coordination and reflexes, all while they're having fun. This isn't just a game, it's a way to create lasting summer memories. And with over 900 sold recently, it seems like families are loving it. However, I did notice some complaints about it being a little tricky to set up initially. Some parents found the inflation to be a hassle. But honestly, once it's up, the fun factor outweighs that hassle, especially for kids. This is perfect for families looking to make a splash at pool parties or beach outings. Skip this one if you're specifically looking for a traditional air hockey experience indoors. For the price, you get a lot of summer fun value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something a bit more traditional. Product number 3, Klask Magnetic Game. The Klask, the magnetic award-winning party game. What really caught my attention were the unique magnetic controls that blend foosball and air hockey into one exciting game. If you want an engaging tabletop game for both kids and adults, this is definitely worth considering. This game is designed for 2 players and is fantastic for parties or family game nights. You use handles underneath the table to control your strikers, which makes for a frantic and fun gameplay experience. The beautiful wooden finish gives it a classy touch, and it's compact enough to set up on any flat surface. Players have loved this game, leading to its recognition as a top party game. If you're looking for something that combines skill and excitement, this might just be your new favorite. That said, I did find some customers mentioning that it might be a little tricky for younger kids to grasp the mechanics. Now, I'll be real with you, while it might require a bit of practice, the rewards in terms of entertainment and engagement make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for families and friends who enjoy competitive games. Skip this one if you need something more straightforward for very young children. Considering its awards and quality, the investment is well worth it. Now, if you want a more compact option that still delivers excitement, the next product is right up your alley. Product number 4, Go Sports Tabletop Air Hockey Game at $49.99. This caught my eye due to its portable design, making it easy to take anywhere. If you're looking for a travel-friendly way to play air hockey, this is a solid choice. It's designed for kids ages 6 and up, and it comes with everything you need: 2 pushers and 3 pucks. The battery-operated fan ensures smooth gameplay anywhere without being tied to a power outlet, which is a huge bonus. Plus, its compact size means you can play in bedrooms, living rooms, or even outside. It's already gained popularity, with over 200 sold recently, which speaks volumes about its appeal. However, I found that some users noted the need for 4 AA batteries, which are not included. This can be a hassle if you're in the middle of a game night. But honestly, if you plan ahead, it's a small inconvenience for all the fun it can provide kids while improving their hand-eye coordination. This is perfect for families who want to enjoy air hockey anywhere. Skip this one if you need something that plugs in and is larger in size. For its price, it delivers good value for portable fun. Lastly, if you're seeking something specifically designed for younger kids, the final product is a great fit.
Product number 5. World Tech Toys Marvel Spider-Man Air Hockey Table. Priced at $39.98. This one really stands out with its superhero theme that kids are sure to love. If you want a fun game that appeals to younger fans of Spider-Man, this is a must-see. Featuring a built-in fan for consistent airflow, this table offers real air hockey action right in your living room. The compact design makes it easy to set up anywhere, whether it's at home or during family trips. With its bold graphics and sturdy wooden construction, it can handle the energetic play from kids ages 4 and up. Plus, it's already gained traction, with 200 units sold in the recent month. However, I did see some reports about assembly being a bit challenging. Some parents mentioned the setup could take longer than expected. But honestly, the joy it brings once set up, especially for young Spider-Man fans, makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for parents looking to engage their kids in fun, themed play. Skip this one if your kids are older and prefer more competitive games. For the price, it offers great entertainment value for younger kids.
So, let's quickly recap the top picks. The Hasbro Gaming Hypershot is great for interactive fun at a low price, while the Funscape Kids Hockey Pool game brings summer joy. The Klask is perfect for parties, and the Go Sports tabletop game offers portability. Lastly, the World Tech Toys Marvel Spider-Man table is fantastic for young fans.